Hello, I'm Professor Daryl Haggard at McGill University in the Physics Department and in the McGill Space Institute. So I study black holes, sometimes supermassive black holes and sometimes stellar mass black holes. I also sometimes, when I'm getting lucky, study neutron stars and white dwarfs and other so-called compact objects. I study all of these things using electromagnetic radiation detected by telescopes both here on the ground, on the Earth, and up in space, or sometimes other messengers like gravitational waves or neutrinos. So this kind of science that I do is fundamental research in astrophysics. This is extremely important to Canadians. It's hard to get more fundamental than the force of gravity. Fundamental science brings about all sorts of innovation that we sometimes expect and sometimes don't expect. For example, one fantastic technique that was developed to study Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole here in the Milky Way Galaxy, is known as adaptive optics. And this technique using lasers to create fake stars to guide our observatories was then adapted to become LASIK eye surgery, which improves the visions of people around the world. So fundamental science can give us all sorts of different new ideas and new breakthroughs, and is really truly important to the science ecosystem here in Canada. I also have the incredible privilege as a professor to work with an amazing team of junior scientists. Here at McGill, we have just some of the most incredible young people training into more discovery and more breakthroughs and more excitement in this field of black hole research and fundamental physics.